Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the input on a Sceptre monitor without using the remote. Most Sceptre monitors have physical control buttons built directly into the monitor. These buttons are usually located on the bottom right edge of the bezel, the bottom center area, or sometimes on the right side of the screen. Once you find the buttons, look for one labeled S, Source Input, or sometimes an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing into it. This is the Input button. Press this button once. When you press it, the Input selection menu should appear on the screen. After the menu opens, you can move through the available input options. Use the up and down arrow buttons or the plus and minus buttons, depending on your monitor model. As you scroll, you will see different sources such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, or VGA. When the input you want to use is highlighted, press the source button again, or press the menu button, which may be labeled M. This confirms your selection and switches the monitor to that input. On some Sceptre monitors, the power button can also be used to move through menu options. Press the power button gently to navigate the on-screen menu, then press it again to confirm the input selection. Certain models use a small joystick control instead of several buttons. If your monitor has a joystick, push it inward like a button to open the on-screen display. Move the joystick toward the input or source option. Then move it up or down to highlight the input you want. Push the joystick inward again to confirm. Thanks for watching.